Welcome to Upskys Report and Tag Campaign Comment Growth Tool feature. Click on Comment Growth Tool's left side menu under the Comment Feature section to enter. Let's see the tag campaign first. When using tag campaign, all the commenters will get notifications about your comment and they will visit the post again. This will make your post viral as the post will start to display in people's news feed repeatedly. Mentioning the commenter in reply will make it more personal and notifications will be sent to each commenter. Suppose your post has 1,000 comments and you want to reply to them all by mentioning the commenter's name. You can do this by simply creating a tag campaign. Tag campaign is currently available for Facebook pages only. To enable the tag campaign, click on Automation Campaign label or click on Detail in the Facebook section. After the page is fully loaded, go to the third section on the right and look for the latest posts you want to enable the tag feature. Once you have found the post to enable tagging, click on the setting icon located at the bottom right of the post thumbnail. Look for Enable and Fetch Commenters. Simply click on Enable and Fetch Commenter. This will open a pop-up that displays, Success. Post has been successfully enabled for tagging and commenter information has been fetched. Click on OK to finish. Now, click on the Comment Growth Tools left side menu to go back to the main Comment Growth Tools section. Let's proceed and see the last Upskys Comment Growth Tools feature called Report. It is the report of all comment automation campaigns. To see all reports, click on Report label or click on Detail. After the page loads, then you will see there are 6 kinds of reports. 1. Auto Comment Report. 2. Auto Reply Report. 3. Comment Bulk Tag Report. 4. Bulk Comment Reply Report. 5. Full Page Response Report. 6. Auto Like and Share Report. Try clicking See Report link on each subsection, then you will see the corresponding reports. That's it for this tutorial.